Fullscript makes it simple to track, review, and manage all your lab orders across your entire team. Upgrade how your practice manages lab testing with Fullscript's Lab Orders Dashboard, your centralized hub for tracking test status and results in one convenient place. To get started, head to Labs in the left-hand menu and select Orders. From here, you can oversee every test and progress across your team, no additional portals needed. You can also see key details at a glance, including the patient's current test status, last update, test type, and ordering provider. If you need to find a specific order, use the search bar to quickly look up orders by patient name or email. Status updates on Fullscript help you track every step of the testing process, including when a test is purchased, when the sample arrives at the lab, and when partial or final results are available. To see a complete list of status updates, open the status menu and choose a filter for your orders. If you need a broader view to manage testing across your team, filter by practitioner to focus on one provider's orders, or select all to see every order in your practice. Use the quick filters at the top of your dashboard to find what you need fast. All orders to view every lab test on your account, not purchased to see tests waiting for patient payment, and results available to find tests with partial or full results. When a patient's final results are ready, the ordering provider will receive an email notifying them that results are available. Click View Results in the email to view the results in your Fullscript account. For specialty labs, you'll see the results PDF available to download, just like you're used to when ordering directly from the lab. And click Share Results with Patient to notify your patient via email that the results are available. For Quest tests, you can download the lab report PDF and view Fullscript's enhanced interpretations showing trends and insights over time. Here you can interpret the results and write a message for your patient, and when you're ready to share it, click Send to Patient.